In this video, we're basically gonna play a bit more using columns and we're gonna make a few more stuffs. So let's get started. So these were there in my part 1, part 2 and part 3s. What we done was we imported pandas, we have read, and here we have set the column index column as respondent and this as normal column. And we have displayed the max column as 85, max rows as 85. This is the head of it. And here what we did was we are gonna rename it. We are gonna see how to rename, we are gonna see how to change them, replace them, many things. So I'm gonna say df.rename columns of converted computers to salary USD in place is equal to true. So what you did was, just a minute. There should be something called as converted computer. Okay, would have been somewhere. This converted computer would be replaced, meaning it would be renamed by salary USD. So first it would be converted computer and that will be renamed by salary USD. And then we're going to print out salary USD. This is going to be its information, kind of information. So the name is salary USD, the length is 88,883. The data type is float. And we're gonna get the hobbyist over here. Name is hobbyist, length is 8883, data type is object. So we're gonna say df, we're gonna put a square bracket dot map, yes is true, no is false. So we're gonna say that wherever there is yes, we should replace it by true. Wherever there is no, it should be replaced by false. So here it would be a yes, here it would be a no, here it would be yes, here it would be no, like that. This yes would be replaced by true. That's it. And we're gonna say df hobbyist is equal to df hobbyist dot map. Yes is true, no is false. And now we're gonna print out the df. It's gonna be true or false. It's not gonna be yes or no. You can see over here it would have been yes or no. Just give me a minute. Let me just search. Yeah. See, you can see yes or no. This yes will be transformed to true, and no will be transformed to false. You can see true or false now when we changed it. So this is what, let's move forward to our next one. So this was the one that I did in my part 3 or 4. Here what we did was we put person 1 and person 2 and we concatenated both of them. Rather than just doing that, I just did people is equal to. That's what I changed. And I have added 3 names. I have added like one more name. There were 2 names before, I have added 3 names now. And after that I have imported pandas and I have converted data frame. I have converted people to a data frame. That means series plus series is data frame, remember. So this is one series, first is one series, last is one series, email is one series. So when we mix all of them, when we put it into a proper table, that's going to be a data frame, that's it. So we're going to get the columns of it. The columns are first, last, email. This is how you get the columns. You're going to say df.columns. And later we're going to say df.columns. We are setting this columns now. First name, last name, email. So we are setting this. We are not going to say like, yeah, this is just, you can just replace it like this. No. But we are setting these columns. First, the name as first name, last as last name, the mail as email. We have replaced it like this and we have converted into lower. df.columns is equal to lower. All of these, these two lower. For x in df.columns. That's it. And we're basically going to print all of them. We're going to print out the df and then we're going to rename these columns. The first name to first, last name to last. That's what we did. And this is df.log2. We're gonna put this name, the last name, the name of that person, and then we're gonna change its last name. First it was H. I'm gonna make it to IH, and I have made it like different. This email also has different, and this one is last email is equal to H, comma the email ID. The last name, comma email. We're gonna print this. So now it comes. You can see here. Before it was Science Kiddos. Now it has come as dhanushrih@email.com, like that. And this is last name of this name, first name. This is going to be the last name. We're going to replace it like this, and then if we print out the last, you can see it's going to be IH. And we're going to make it again to H, back to H. We're gonna make df at 2 dot last is equal to h. You can see here now it's converted to 2. This index number is 2. So I have put 2. And then the name is this. The last name we're gonna back to set it. We're gonna set it back to h. It was IH. So this is how you set it like that. And next we're gonna say filter is equal to df.email is equal to silence kiddos. So this is basically gonna convert it to filter, and you're gonna filter this basically that I've told you guys in my last video. You're gonna filter and you're gonna say def is equal to science kiddos. You're gonna replace last. You're gonna set the last for this email ID. You're gonna set the last as IH. That's what it says. And we're gonna say this as this. We're gonna log this. This is gonna be the final. And df.email is equal to df.email string lower. This is completely converted to lower. You can see. For completely converting it to lower, you can do this, or if you want to completely convert it to upper, you can do this. You can see everything is converted to upper. So let's just normally convert it to a lower. Yeah, and this is how it will be if you convert it into lower. Complete whole thing is going to be into lower. That's it. And then we're going to check the length of it. First one is 16, second one is 17, third one is 22. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16. Yes, it's exactly 16 with the point. You're going to count. The first one, the 0th one, the index number 0. And the index number 1 is going to be 17. The index number 2 is going to be 22. Like that. It just gave me length. Or you can just say like this. Or you can just check the normal length of all. And then you're going to convert a function. You're gonna create a function. If you have not yet watched my video of how to create a function, what exactly is a function, please do watch it. We're going to say update email. We're going to return the email as upper. You can see now every single email now. The email that we have wrote was everything in the lower. But now we have converted everything to uppercase. It was in the lowercase. You can see this is how we did it. This is the function's name, update mail. We've called the update mail here. We're going to apply it up. And then you're going to say email is equal to email apply update email. So we're going to update the email now, and this is our final email. Like this is what our email is going to be when we converted it. It's going to be all in uppercase itself. And we're going to say apply lambda x to x dot lower. It's going to get back to lower. You can just say it lower also, but lambda is a kind of function that you use. And you're going to print it's going to convert it to lower because we put lower over here. Else you can just normally do it. Lambda is basically you get the function from there. And the length is going to be like this much itself. Apply length, comma axis is equal to columns. The columns length 333. So the 0th index is going to be 3. First index is going to be 3. Second index is going to be 3. You can see first name, last name, email. First name, last name, email. So that's what it's asking the length for. And then you're going to say length df email. So here you're going to get 3 because you're checking email. You're not specifying it for everything. You're going to check the email, so it's going to show it like this. And then you're going to say, I guess you guys know what exactly series is. If you have not watched my series, I have made a tutorial on series itself. It's in the it's in the pandas playlist. Please do watch it. This is going to be df.apply pd.series.minimum. So this is how it's going to look when it's into series. When you directly convert it into this data frame, it's going to convert into a complete rows and columns, a table to say. You're going to get the minimum of it, like the size you're going to use. So this is the minimum you're going to get. So it's printed out this. This is the length of all. You can see apply map of length. And now in the first name, 0th index, you're going to have 8. Let's check. Yeah, here first name 0th index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yes, it's completely 8. And last name you're going to have 1. Email is 16, 17, 22. We told it. The first is going to be 7. the first name first index is going to be 7. The first name second index is going to be 10. So like that, it's going to give you out a length in a table. We're going to say apply map for that, and apply map string lower. So it's going to give everything in string lower, and it's going to give everything in lowercase like this, you can see. And then we're going to say df dot first map. We're gonna convert this name as Likita, this Likita over here, we're gonna convert it to Janvi, and this Dhanush over here we're gonna convert it to Sai. So it's gonna print out like this. And next we're gonna replace the same thing, and we're gonna print this out. You can see here. So if you want to convert it, I mean 3 things, the center name also, then let's do it up. I'm gonna say just another name, a comma over here. It's saying invalid syntax. Okay, just a minute. This is gonna come here. Like this. You can see here now their names are completely different because I've shifted them like this. So yeah, now you know how to replace, you know how to check the null values, you know many things with how to do with data frames and series. That's great.